What is up, my realtor friends? Patrick Langhans here. This week, your mortgage update. We're going to talk about the market, both interest rates hitting 10-month lows, but inventory hitting some highs. But how can we take advantage of that to help more people get into homes or build their real estate portfolio? So I'll give you some details on that. Also, we'll talk about our loan program of the week, and that's our VA Jumbo loan. So I'll tell you how that works. And then lastly, we'll talk about this weekend, who's available, and if you need a quick closing, can we do it for you? So let's talk about the market. Mortgage rates hit 10-month lows, so the lowest they've been since October of 2024. National average somewhere in the mid-sixes, and we've seen mortgage applications increase. So mortgage applications increased 3% week over week. That's a pretty big increase. So hopefully that means more people out there looking at homes. What to do with this? Well, now that rates are low, we might see more activity and more demand, but we are still seeing a pretty high amount of listings. I read one report that said Denver is the #1 city in the nation for price drops in the first 30 days of a listing. I saw that in the Front Range 11 counties, median days on market was about 24. That's a over 30% increase. It had kind of stuck around 2 weeks. Now we're up to over 3 weeks. So what are the opportunities? Well, preaching to the choir, the opportunity is you can negotiate an outstanding deal. I am seeing more first-time homebuyers get out there, and those lower price points under 500, your condos, your townhomes, or smaller single families, we're getting a ton of clients back out there. So what would I do with all this information? I would text all my old leads, DM all my old leads, call all my old leads, and just say, hey, have you seen that prices and rates have dropped? It might be exactly what you said you were waiting for. Can we take another look at your home search? Good, quick text, and you will probably get some good responses. So that's the market right now. We'll see what happens in the future. Let's talk about our loan program of the week. That is our VA Jumbo loan. So on a VA Jumbo loan, that's for veterans, no money down and no loan limit. So you could have a veteran buying a mansion with no money down. So VA loans are amazing. There's no mortgage insurance and of course no down payment. You can literally buy a home. If you get seller paid closing costs, you can get the seller to buy down the rate, pay all the closing costs, and you get all your earnest money back at closing. So if you know vets who are out there, send them our way. We'd love to talk to them and show them how they can get into a home, even a big home, a jumbo, a luxury home with no money down. Lastly, this weekend, we are available to help. And if we can get someone under contract this weekend, if it helps with your negotiations, we can still get them done this August, get them closed in August, and help with that negotiation with the seller. You need anything, let me know. I'm around. You know how to reach me. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon.